Hi, my name is Jamie Henthorn, and I am going to show you how to contribute a survey response to MediaCommons. So the first thing you do is go to the website, which is mediacommons.futureofthebook.org, and you want to make sure that you have an account with us. If you've never worked with us before, or you have an account with MediaCommons Press, you're going to have to go ahead and make a new account, which you do through register. If you already have an account, you can log in, and it'll take you right to your page. Whenever you get here, a good idea is to go over to Edit, and once you're in Edit, to scroll down to where it says Comment and Follow-up Notification Settings, and make sure that you can receive all comments or replies to your comment, so that whenever people respond to your post, you'll get an email that lets you know that people are using the site and responding to you. Once you've done that, you can go over to the front page of MediaCommons. You'll see we have in the carousel, this is the survey response for today. And on the side, you will see survey comments and replies that have happened throughout the week. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and hit the question, the major question for your survey. If you are the first person posting in the first week, there may not be anything under it. There may just be the question itself. And I'll put that up on the Friday before the new survey starts. So go ahead and push it. And once you've clicked on it, you kind of scroll down. This project is almost over, so it's a somewhat long question. But once you get down to the bottom, you have a couple different options, and the one that you want to pick is add a response. Go ahead and push that button. If you go ahead in here and click on the comments, it'll show up immediately, but not as a response, just kind of as a comment to the larger project. So you want to hit add a response, and once we do that, you're going to come to what is a pretty common looking like a blog post through Blogger. It runs pretty much the same way. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and title your piece. And it refreshed for some reason. Once you've done that, underneath here you can upload your content. Now you can do that a couple different ways. You can type it in here, or let's say that you like the formatting of a Word document. So we'll go ahead, I like this Word document, so I'm going to copy what's here. And if you're coming over from Word, because it uses some formatting that the internet is not in love with, you can have this little button here that you can paste from Word. Once you do that, I would make sure to check and see if there's any spacing issues. I actually don't like that indented, so I'm going to go ahead and fix it. Maybe we can fix it on a larger site, and push OK, and see a lot of that, like I said, it knows that those indents don't look as nice there. After I've done that, I want to add a picture to my article. So I go down to the bottom, and I'm going to choose a file. My little dog picture here. And once I upload it, if you have a response that you want to have an image shared with, this is one option too, is to just kind of leave it here. But we want to actually insert this into our text. So we have a couple different options. I decide that I want it to kind of have the full page to go on, so I'm going to go ahead and insert it. You can see it there. It's nice and big. And now that I've got all of my text and all of my pictures in, what I want to do is I want to preview it, because after you save, you actually won't be able to see your post. So I preview it, and I think that, this looks great. I'm going to scroll down. I'm very happy with it, so I'm going to go ahead and save. Once you save, it'll kind of disappear, and you'll go back to just seeing the question. So that's how you upload something. The reason that it disappears is because it's not published until I, as the editor, go in and publish it. And that's one way to kind of allow you to post your response whenever you want to, not necessarily at any certain time, to keep the site looking professional. So that's how you post. This is a quick reminder that responses should be about 400 words, and the idea is to start a conversation. not necessarily to have a full essay provided to us. But we're very excited that you're contributing to us, and we want to thank you for your time and work into this project.